I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently.
Ooh. Another one. So, two ISR gaskets blew within like 10 minutes. What?
The exhaust? I think the exhaust was in.
So these were the culprits right here. Look at this. Completely gone, split. This one, split. I got the OEM ones right here. Just by feeling them, they feel way better quality. So, yeah, definitely don't recommend these ISR gaskets because look at this, so flimsy. In literally like 10 minutes of driving, and this thing blew right away. So I'm gonna replace them with these OEM ones from the SR20. They fit right on the ISR kit, so I recommend getting the OEM ones if you can. So we're gonna have to put the turbo all back again, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but we'll get it done. Alright, so I got the new gasket in there now, the OEM Nissan one. I actually went ahead and got some new hardware for this because the other one's a little bit stripped, and we got some lock washers on there this time because apparently two of the bolts actually backed out and fell off, which probably didn't help with the blown gasket. So I went ahead and got new hardware for the manifold and for the turbo also, and then we just got some backup ones back here just in case. You don't really have to put those on, but got the gasket up here too. Let me flip the turbo right there. Now we're just gonna throw it back on and throw the downpipe back on, and hopefully she'll be good, and hopefully she holds boost again. Alright, so we're replacing all the other gaskets. I'm also going to go ahead and replace the manifold to the block gasket, this one right here. It didn't get blown, but you know, just in case, because it is the same ISR brand, and I did kind of mess it up taking it off. So I'm going to be replacing it with this copper one. Let's go ahead and do that and try to get all this thing back together so we can have boost again. Alright guys, so I got everything back on. I got the manifold back on, the turbo's back on, the elbow down there, I don't think you guys can see it, that's back on. Everything is nice and tight. I put lock washers this time, so nothing will come loose, hopefully. Got the intercooler's pipe back on, I got the intake back on. Now let's start this thing and see if she's holding boost. If not, we gotta go back in there and see what's wrong. But everything's back on, so let's do a little test run. Good. Alright, what's going on guys? I'm actually at work right now, but it's so dead and I'm so bored that I just decided to film the outro right here, whatever. There's nobody else here. Look, nobody else. I got the store all to myself right now. I'm being weird. But so yeah, the KA is holding boost again with the OEM gaskets, so that's all good now. I have an update on Sean's 1JZ. If you guys saw the last video, you'll know that my friend Sean got a 1J for his IS300, but it turned out to be bad. We found 2 in San Diego, which also turned out to be bad, low compression. So he actually bought one from Philly. We're all the way out in California. So it took a while to get here, but it's finally here. And later tonight, I'm gonna go check it out, and I'm definitely gonna film that for you guys. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Any comments? Any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. I always try to answer you guys as fast as possible. I always do read your comments. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Share this with your friends. Spread the word, you know, try to get us bigger. And I gotta get back to work, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.